Hi everybody, welcome to day one of number 7's 12 Days of Beauty. I got this at a discount store for $15 and I think it's from 2017, but let's see what's inside because then maybe it'll help decide whether I get it next year or not. So, it opens like a book, it's very shiny inside, and here is day number 1. On day number 1 we have a number 7 Total Renewal Microdermabrasion Exfoliator. So, it's a good start. Let's hope that it only gets better. Day 1 of the Revolution, Makeup Revolution London. 12 days. It's not really an advent calendar, but it's got 12 things. So it opens up like this. It's a really nice box. And we'll just pick the first one and we'll choose a different one every day. So the first box is a travel brush set. We've got 4 brushes inside. And it's got a travel powder brush, a travel foundation and concealer brush, travel eyeshadow brush, and travel brow brush. So that'll be good for all of my world travels, you know, that 3 times I've left the country. So now we have got the Revolution 24-day advent calendar, and it opens like a book, very festive. And day number 1 is right here. And let's see what's inside. It is a lipstick. Okay, so we've got a amazing lipstick in the color I think is Swish. Let's see what it looks like, and when we swatch it, it does not swatch very well, but it's a pretty color. All right, so that was day number 1. We've got the Love Lust Disco Advent Calendar box from NYX Cosmetics. And it's shaped like a cube and there's stuff on all 4 sides. So let's see if we can find day number 1. There's day number 1. Oh my gosh. Oh, right here. There's day number 1. And inside we've got, what do we have? A lipstick. If I can get it out. Oh my god. Ah! Alright. Oh, jeez. Alright, so we've got a suede matte lipstick in the color STFU. Well, that's very Christmassy. Things are not going my way. Oh my god. Alright. Let's take the label off. That might help. So we've got a purple color here. And we'll swatch it. That is a really nice purple, but probably not something I am going to wear very often. Alright, I've got the Mac Daddy, the Glossybox Advent Calendar. And I've been looking so forward to opening this. And I bought one for my sister for her birthday / Christmas. Her birthday's Christmas Eve. My birthday's the 18th, so we're poor right now. So, it opens up like this. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And day number 1 is at the bottom there. So let's see what we have. So it's a really nice sized box, very pretty box. And we've got a Restructuring Bond Repair Leave-In Overnight Serum for Hair from Caviar Anti-Aging from Alterna. So not very exciting. I mean, it's okay. I'm not really excited. Let's hope days 2 to 24 are more exciting.